Hey there, what's up? It's Julie from Machine Embroidery Geek, and today what we're going to do is we're going to make a can koozie out of these things. They're cheap little blanks that you can get on Amazon, and we're going to make this look really cute. So I've set up a special file that's going to help us do this, and I'm going to show you how it works. Ready? Let's do it. What you are seeing here is a hooped piece of adhesive back tearaway stabilizer. And I have scored around the inside edge and exposed the sticky surface. This particular piece is looking pretty janky because I have kind of patched it up. When I am embroidering a lot, I will rip, away whatever I have just stitched out, and then it leaves a hole, so I just patch it from the back. And that just saves time, and it saves a heck of a lot of stabilizer. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to stitch the first round of stitching, and these are the placement lines for the koozie. Okay, now do you see how this is guiding me and telling me exactly where to put down my koozie? So let me just trim this string right here. And I'm going to place this. So I want to place this top edge right at, I want this to overlap because these lines are going to be the same lines that stitch it together. So I got that right in place, and it's sticking really nicely. Okay, so I'm going to escape out of this design for a second, and then I'm going to stitch out my message. I think I'll either monogram it, or maybe I will stitch out something like Julie's beer, so I can put it on my beer and nobody will steal it. So I have my writing all set, and I'm ready to start stitching out my design. It's pretty simple, just some very simple, effective messaging for my koozie. And I have this set in place. I put a layer of dissolvable topper, sulky, whatever, this wash away topper, because it's going to look a little nicer when the stitching's done. It kind of sits on top a little bit better. So let's stitch this message out. So now we have an appropriate message stitched out on my koozie, and I'm ready to stitch it together. So I'm just going to peel back this stuff, the topper, and get rid of it. Then I'm going to fold this back up on itself, and I'm going to tape it down on the sides, and then I'll start stitching again. Okay, here we go. So we got it all stitched together in the hoop. I just need to clean it up and flip it inside out. So that, my friends, is how you make a custom in the hoop can koozie. And I just so conveniently have a beer here to try it out. So good luck and happy stitching.